How's it going, Wavve Boating community? Adam here, and today I'm going to show you how to record a trip, or some of you might call it recording breadcrumbs. So if you're going to be heading out on the water, you want to record exactly where you've been, so maybe you can follow that back, or just kind of keep track of that journey that you went out on that day. This is the feature you're going to want to use. So fairly simple again. What you're going to want to do is head to the quick navigation button at the bottom right. That's the dark blue navy one. And you will see this menu. And right below the auto route and the manual route options is record. Tap that. Now you may see a pop-up, especially if you're on Apple at this point, that will say allow Wavve Boating to also use your location even when you are not using the app. It's important at this point to say change to always allow. Now it's not showing that on my screen right now, mainly because of privacy privileges, but you may see that. And that's important if you're going to close the app and you want it to keep recording your location, okay? So please make sure, I think on Google Play, it's allowed to use your location all the time. That's purely just so the app can record your trip when you close the application. And if it's not running in the foreground or up on your screen at any given time. Okay. So obviously for demonstration purpose, I'm stationary today, so you can't really see me moving around too much here. But while you're going, you will see the total distance traveled, the elapsed time, and your average speed will be reported. Now, a couple options while you're running here. So I just hit that little up arrow to navigate to the trip recording settings. So maybe you're recording a trip, you're stopping somewhere for lunch, you don't want Wavve to kind of keep recording those points while you're stationary, just simply hit the pause button, okay? Then it will stop recording, or it'll keep your trip going, but won't continue to log latitudes and longitudes, your GPS locations. But then once you get back on the water, you're ready to go again, hit resume, okay? Once you're done, you've come back to port, wherever you wanted to record the trip, just simply hit end recording. And automatically that route is going, that trip rather, or recording is going to be saved. And you have some basic information presented about it. Again, total distance traveled, elapsed time, the draft that you had set in settings while you're recording it. You can add in a estimate for your fuel economy to get an idea of how much fuel you would have used in that period. You can add some notes. And then if this is saved to your account, you'll be able to actually access this on our web chart viewer as well. And also, at the very top, see the little pencil icon? You can rename it to something other than the default naming, which is recording and the date. Now, if I close that, if I want to see that recording again, I'm going to go to the Me tab. This is where all of your content in Wavve is always going to live. Head to Me. I'll see it there. I can filter by my routes, my points, or everything. So I'm just going to go routes, and I can see the recording that I just took today. Again, not too much to show, as I haven't really been moving all that much. This is just, a very small little area here. But that's where those recordings are going to live, so you can use them at a later date. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team anytime at community@wavveboating.com, and have a wonderful day on the water. Thank you.